Hi, I'm David. I'm a rising junior at Monte Vista High School, and my project is also the phone-controlled robot. But for my modification, I also used ultrasonic sensor, but it also detects how far an object is from the clock, and it'll show on my app. Let me give you a quick demonstration. As you can see, this is the app I have already connected to the arm. So if I move the claw slider, the claw should open and close. The shoulder slider will move forward and backwards. The elbow will move up and down. And the waist would move left and right. There's also a reset button. It just brings it back to the normal position. And if I put an object, let's say a water bottle in front of it, it would show on the bottom, there's an object detected. It's kind of hard to see, and how far it is from the arm. So this is how we created our app. We use the MIT App Inventor. Now the MIT App Inventor, there are different kind of components to use. What I use mainly is the label, buttons, and sliders. Each component does different things. I also added some layout to make it look a lot nicer. But as you can see, there are some stuff cut off. This is because the screen size on the app is smaller than the screen size of my phone. And I also had two more components known as the Bluetooth client, which basically connects the phone to any Bluetooth device, and a clock. I'll explain that in a few seconds. Here's the code portion. This first column is the code for the Bluetooth device. Once you press the connect button, it'll show a list of Bluetooth devices that you can connect to. And once you connect to a device, there will be a text saying connected, and it will be in blue. Once you press the disconnect button, the text will become disconnected and it will be in red. The next column is once the slider position changes, it'll send information to the ESP32. For it to work, once the position changes, it'll send a text of a number and then the thumb position. The number represents which servo is being controlled, and the thumb position is the position of the slider or the degree of the servo. For this block of code, this is the reset button. It just resets the servo to their designated degree. And for my modification, I had to add some code into the app. And what this code over here does is basically once the ultrasonic sensor detects an object 10 centimeters away or less, it will send in how far the object is from the ultrasonic sensor to the app, and it will display on the bottom of the app showing how far it is and if there's an object detected or not. Throughout the 3 weeks at Bluestem, building and creating these app and robot arm was really fun, but obviously there's a lot of challenges. The main challenge for me is working on the ultrasonic sensor. This is because we only had like a day to work on our modifications, and learning a new component in a day is kind of difficult for me. So that's one of my challenges. And throughout Bluestem, it helped me a lot thinking about my future career, and I enjoyed every aspect of it. And I plan to be an engineer in the future, but I'm not sure which one yet. Thank you. Any questions?
Awesome job, David. Awesome. You said you like all the aspects, but you gotta have one favorite. Like everyone has one favorite. What do you think? What's your favorite part? If you could only repeat one part, what would it be?
Probably, can I just say coding and building?
Yeah, you could say that. Awesome. Awesome job.